How to change Apple ID trusted phone number. First up, go to the settings and open up your Apple ID. Here, click in Sign in and Security, which is the second option, which will take you to a new page. Here, you can see your email and phone number section at the top. On clicking the Edit option, you can see that you can add email or phone number or even delete a phone number. Since you have to deregister number to remove, what you can do is first add email or phone number. In this case, you can click on add email or phone number and then click on phone number option. After this, you will be allowed to add a phone number to this. You can also add the country code from the list of country codes that you can see and then click on next, which is in the top right corner. A verification code will be sent to that number, and after you are verified to that number, the number will be successfully added to your Apple ID trusted contacts. And after that, you can delete the existing phone number which is shown at the top. And this is how you can easily change Apple ID trusted phone number.
We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.